Hello everyone! I've got a puzzle story for you. Peppa Pig. Twinkle little star, it's night time now. Peppa's first sleepover. Peppa has got her sleeping bag and her favorite toy, Teddy. She's going to Zoe Zebra's house for sleepover. Peppa is going to her very first sleepover at Zoe Zebra's house. Rebecca Rabbit, Susie Sheep, and Emily Elephant are all already here. Don't stay up too late, girls. Mommy Zebra says Zoe's baby twin sisters, Zuzu and Zaza, want to join the sleepover too. Sleepovers are only for big girls, Zoe says. The twins begin to cry. Wow, wow. What shall we do first? Susie asked. I'm having piano lessons. Listen. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Mommy Zebra has woken up. Shh! You must be quiet. Now, into your sleeping bags, please. At sleepovers, there is always a midnight feast. Zoe said, it's when we eat things. Susie says, shh, Zoe says as she leads the girls to the kitchen. They each grab some delicious fruit. Mommy Zebra has woken up again. Now, who knows a bedtime story? The girls take turns. Once upon a time, big monster who went roar. Emily says with a big elephant trumpet noise. The noise has woken Daddy Zebra. Sorry, Daddy, Zoe says. It was a story about a fairy and a scary monster. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Daddy Zebra sings gently as he plays the piano. Daddy Zebra's song has sent everyone to sleep. Peppa and his little friends are all at sleep now. It's time for you to go sleep too, baby. Close your eyes. I will read you more puzzle stories soon. Sweet dreams. Shh.